Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Right then guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif's World. So today we're just travelling to Bradford. We've just entered Bradford to try out a popular place which is called Kashif'S Takeaway, which was based in Manchester. Now it's been opened recently in Bradford. So we basically thought today, you know what, let's drive down to Bradford and let's give this Kashif'S a try to see whether it's exactly the same as Manchester. So yeah, now what we're doing, we're just on Leeds Road, Bradford, and we're just heading towards Kashif'S now. You can say it's a nice day, but we did have a bit of rain when we were on the motorway, but now it's suddenly stopped. But you see these black clouds, so it looks like again the rain will fall. So yeah, so let's meet you all in Kashif'S. So let's go inside and let's take a look at Kashif'S and try this food out. So Kashif'S is just opposite the Leisure Exchange here. I'll leave the address in the description below. So this is the Kashif'S menu here guys, look at this. You've got plenty of variety of food here to choose from. They also do milkshakes, which is on the top here. So we've gone for the chicken burger meal, which is £6, and we've gone for 4 wings spicy. Just got the till here guys, so you just pay your payment here just on the till. You've got the seating areas here, look at this, you've got plenty of seating areas there. You've got the variety of drinks here guys, look at this, plenty to choose from. Here we are. So I've got my chicken burger meal here, look at this. So we've got our chicken burger just here, look at that. And we also, in this bag there is fries. Right, let's take a look at this burger first of all. Let's open the lid. Now look at that. What we got inside the burger is you get a big thick chicken in that. You also get cheese, mayonnaise, and a bit of lettuce in that. Right. Let's see if this actually is exactly the same as Kashif'S in Manchester or not. Let's give this a taste. Wow, that is fantastic. I must say, this was absolutely phenomenal. I've really enjoyed tasting this burger. Look at that inside, it's beautiful, and you know, it's a great burger. I'm very happy with that. Plenty of taste coming from that burger, plenty of flavours as well. It is spicy as well, so it's fantastic. Just exactly the same as the Kashif'S in Manchester. Move on to the fries. Look at these first of all. How wonderful are the fries looking. Right, so what we've got on the fries is peri salt. So let's give this a taste. Very nice, I must say. Wow, plenty of flavours coming out of that, as there's peri salt on it. Look at the potato content as well. Potato content looks really fantastic as well, really good. Yeah, that was marvellous, really impressive. Very nice. So you get a tub of chili and garlic sauce in one with your burger meal, so there won't be no issue with no sauces. Some nice hot spicy wings. So you know what, I thought to myself, you know what, I definitely must try the spicy wings from Kashif'S. So this is the first time I'm trying it here. So first of all, look at this, it looks absolutely fantastic. So you get 4 pieces of wings, and let's take a bite of this. Wow, I've just took one bite of that, and I must say that is so spicy guys, it's unbelievable. My mouth is on fire, I must say. Now you see the chicken is absolutely soft in that, it's well cooked, and the batter is absolutely soft. Wow, I must say I'm over the moon with these wings. It's absolutely delicious. It's very spicy, so you must have your drinks with you here. So we've gone for the Rubicon and Guava, and we're going for the Tango Orange. Let's wash it down with a tin of Rubicon Guava. superb, really amazing. Yeah, so guys, overall we just finished our meal, and I must say I was really impressed with the food here, because it shows how good it was, and the burger was quality as well. The wings were fantastic as well, and again the chips were fantastic. So we've actually enjoyed it, the family have enjoyed it, and yeah, I would recommend you guys, please do come to Kashifs in Bradford. It's just recently been opened. The service has been fantastic as well. People behind the counter are very friendly, they're very smiling as always, which is fantastic. That's what we need, customer service. You've got some nice beautiful frames here, look at that, they're really nice frames. Vlog here everyone, hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe, take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.